Established in 2002, MYTECH specializes in vertical turret milling machines and spindle head components. With the innovative and progressive spirit of our enterprise, we keep growing, accumulating experience and developing technology. Not only did we develop horizontal NC milling machines in 2009, we also manufactured vertical machining centers in 2012. To provide high precision and competitive machines, we improve continuously progress technology. For many years, MYTECH has been continuously developing manufacturing technologies for machine tools. From strict quality control and research development to final productions, we create the most innovative machining center. In order to improve product quality, we use sophisticated manufacturing equipment and the latest manufacturing technology. MYTECH always pursues perfection, from the inspection of individual parts to precise measurement of the finished products. We rigorously pay attention to every detail to ensure the highest quality products. Current product lineup includes vertical turret milling machines, NC milling machines, vertical machining centers, double column machining centers, high-speed roller machining center, tool grinding machines. In order to meet customers' needs, we have attended many international exhibitions to understand global market trends. At MYTECH, our exceptional team of industry experts with the most professional work attitude is the basis of our continuous growth. At the same time, MYTECH insists on providing the best products to improve our customers' work efficiency so that they can reach their goals of sustainable and persistent growth. Persistence is our attitude. Shojuan Precision Machinery Corporation, Limited.